In this lecture, we will learn about how to represent an irrational number on a number line. Say for example, first I will draw root 2 on number line. For that I have already drawn a number line and say O represents 0 and OA be some length of 1 units. It can be 1 inches or 1 centimeter, and BA is perpendicular on OA. I have drawn BA which is perpendicular on OA and its length is also equal to OA, which is 1. So this length is 1 and this is also 1. Now consider this right angle triangle OAB. I can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle because it is a right angled triangle. Now using Pythagoras theorem, I get OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA is 1, AB is also 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 or 2. OB square is 2 or OB is equal to root 2. Now in this triangle, right angle triangle, OB is hypotenuse and its value comes out to be root 2. Now what I will do, I have to represent root 2 on this number line. So we will draw a circle with O as center and OB as radius. And let this circle cut this number line at some point, say C. What I will do, I will draw a circle with O as center and OB as radius, and let this circle cut the number line at some point, say C. Now this length OC is now equal to OB, which is root 2. So OC is root 2. This length represents root 2. Now suppose again we have to draw root 3 on number line. Root 2 we have already drawn. This OC length is root 2. Again draw a perpendicular on C. Let this point be D. Now again in this right angle triangle, say O, C and D. Now OC is root 2 and CD is again 1. This is 90 degree. So again using Pythagoras theorem, we will get OD square as OC square plus CD square. OC square is root 2 square and CD is 1 square. So this will be 2 plus 1, or OD square is equal to 3, or OD is equal to root 3. So in triangle OCD, right angled at C, this hypotenuse OD will represent root 3. Again, by taking O as center and OD as radius, we can draw a circle, say this circle, and let it cut the number line at some point E. OE is now equal to OD. OE and OD are equal. So I can say this length OE now represent root 3, and so on. Now suppose we have to draw root 5. So we need not have to plot root 2 and root 3 to draw root 5 on number line. What we can do, we can straight away draw a perpendicular on 2. Let this length O, say P is 2. We will draw a perpendicular on OP of length 1. So in this triangle, right angle triangle, OPQ, now OP is 2, PQ is 1. Again using Pythagoras theorem, we will get OQ square as 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 5, or OQ length will be root 5. This length will be root 5. To draw root 3, we will have to draw first root 2 on number line, but for root 5, we can directly draw a right angle triangle with taking 2 as base and repeating the same procedure.